Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can earn money online by simple liking the post and following the person. You just need to follow the person and you will earn money, and you just need to like the post of Twitter, Instagram, Telegram or and TikTok, and you will earn a handsome amount. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by simple liking and following the people's. But before starting But before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for proper updates. It's a helping media. Okay, now just open the Google and type here getlike.io. Click enter. Okay, now you just need to open its first link. You can see here is its link. Okay, click on open. When the website is open, then its original language is Russian, and we just need to convert this language is in English. You can see here all Russian data. All data is in Russian language. You can see here, and you can see also here the option of converting this website in English. You just need to click on English. Okay, I'm clicking here. Now the website is converting in English. Now you can see here everything is in English. You can see here. Now I'm showing the main thing here. You can register. If you have already account in this website, then directly go here and click on to come in. When you click on to come in, then it will login page will be appear, and you just log in this page in this website. And if you don't have any account in this website, then you just need to click here register now. After clicking on register now, you will register and click on login. Okay, now I'm here. You can see here total user of this websites, and now here is the total active assignments or active tasks, and the task are accomplished or completed is here. Okay, now I'm registering the live. I'm clicking here on register now. Now here is two option. First one is entrance and second one is registration. If you already have account, then you will click on entrance and just log in. Your put here your email address and then password, and then click on captcha and just log in. And if you don't have any account, then click on registration and complete the registration, and after that you will log in on that account. I don't have any account, or I'm showing a proper live demo, so I just need to click here on registration. Clicked. Now I need to enter here a mail and then pick a password, then repeat password, and then enter this captcha, fill this captcha, and then it will be login. Okay, I'm entering my email here and enter a password. Then repeat password, and then fill this captcha. I just clicked here and just now need to click here register now. Clicked. Now he is saying you have already account on this website, so I just need to click on here and I will just log in. Click here and you can see here. Now I'm just logging in. You can see it's login. Now all data again in Russian language. You can see here. You can see also here. First we will convert this in website in English. Click here and click on English. It's converted. Now we just need to click. You can see here it's my assignments option, quiz exchange, contest and affiliate program. We can earn money through these mediums. Okay, but first I need to click on quiz exchange. I'm just clicking here. Now you can see here the all tasks. You can see here the task of different. It's the Instagram tasks, and here are TikTok tasks, and it's in contact with, and then Telegram, then Twitter, then Classmate. I'll show you each and everything and I'll explain each and everything. So I'm clicking on all tasks of Instagram. So if you have Instagram account, then you just need to follow this person and you will get 0.09 drop. Okay, and you can also follow all these persons you have, these are persons, and you will get the money. You can see here 0.08 drop, 0.08 drop, 0.08 drop, 0.07 drop, 0.07 drop. You can get this money by just following these persons. These are the Instagram tasks. Now I'll explain you about TikTok tasks. Here you can see TikTok have 635 tasks. Okay, I'm clicking here. You can see here all tasks 635, and following task is 58, and liking task 57. You just need to follow the persons and like the post and you will earn money if you have any TikTok account. So we just need to follow this person. You can see here is the option of follow. Here is, you will follow this person and get this money. And here like this video, you can see like this video and get this money, you can see. And its total task on TikTok is 635, 505 on Instagram and 635 is on TikTok. Okay, now it's another in contact with me, in contact with, its total 272 tasks. And now its Telegram is it have only total only 21 tasks, and 16 tasks is following and 5 tasks is viewing. You can follow on Telegram this person and you will get this money. You can see it's live, everything I'm showing you live. And after that you can see Twitter have 1554 tasks. You can see all tasks by clicking all tasks, and you can see here you just follow this person and you will earn this money. And you just follow this person and you will earn this money. You can see live here. Okay, and same like this you have Classmate tasks and it's 45 tasks. Now I'm going to tell you how you can earn money through affiliate program. Here just click on affiliate program, and after that you just copy this your affiliate link. You can see here my affiliate link. You just need to copy this affiliate link by clicking here and send to some persons. When you copy this link and send to your friends, and your friend will join this platform by your link, you can see here you will get 50% of your friends earning. And here is a list of users, and you can see here is withdrawn. Now so I created this account newly for you, so it have nothing money. So I'm going to tell you how you can withdraw this money and what are the methods of withdrawn. I'm clicking here withdraw. You can see here rub in my account it's 0, and rub withdrawn it's also 0 because this account is new. So and its email is also not confirmed because I created this for you. You can see here its option of confirm email. Now I'm going to tell you how you can withdraw. Click on withdrawn fund. Here you can see payments are made automatically every 2 days. You can see here. Now I'm clicking the medium of withdrawn. You can see withdrawal method. Here first is Kiwi Commission, and second is bank card, and third is Payer, and its commission percentage is 6%, 6.5%, 5%. So it's a total video you see, and you can earn money through liking the post, following the people. It's very easy method. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest update. It will be beneficial for you. Okay, see you in next video. Till then, take care.